Welcome back to Race and Retro, part 4 of our NC30 restoration project. It's extremely slow going, glacier slow, to be honest.
Why is that then? Why does it take you so long?
I don't know.
Because he's been on holiday 3 times. He's roped us into a soapbox derby. He's turned the shed into basically a breaker's yard. But we have made some progress on the little VFR. So why don't you come and take a look? See, it's looking more like a motorbike than it did a few months ago, or when it's just on bits on the floor. So we are chuffed really that we've got it to this point. Some bits I quite like. Clocks have all been rebuilt, put back on. They're looking really nice now. I think they're in great nick. The new foam we put on, and we painted all the brackets and all new bolts on there. Top yoke back from the powder coaters. Just waiting for the little plastic cap to finish that job off. Other than that, it's looking neat. Frame's still looking beautiful. Do love this frame. Swing arm's gone in. Powder coated shock, as we pointed out last time, has all been fitted. This new chain slider that Keith managed to find, we've got all the right little countersunk bolts for that. So this is all looking mint really. So we had a bunch of stuff back from the Zinkers. These lovely little Honda bolts. Difficult to get hold of, so we've had all them zinc. They fit in that sprocket carrier. Got a whole bunch of them to fit. The hub's back looking nice, which we're really chuffed with. All this zinc stuff really has come out really well. So a few jobs to do on it today. We're going to wrestle that under tray back on. It's a bit of a pig to fit. Get the hangers on, get the front pegs on, do a little bit of work around this rear hub. We'll fit it loosely. We can't fit it completely because we need a new disc.
That one's a bit more.
It's just a bit ropey. So we decided to just stick a new one on, didn't we, mate?
So what do you think? What's the most challenging job been so far?
Right. So the most challenging job, believe it or not, was this loom. 2 reasons. Right. We laid it sort of roughly where it was going to go, but it was really grubby. So we rewrapped it, which looked lovely. However, trying to find the path that it went back. We've taken some photos, but they were awful. It was just a nightmare. You would have thought it would have had some sort of memory of where it went, but I found that really difficult. So we just had to scour the internet for photos, dig up as much information as we can, and we think it's just about right now. But that was a pig of a job.
Yeah. What advice would you give to someone that it's fitting the loom into the VFR?
Get someone else
Get
to do
someone
it.
else to do it. Yeah. Oh, just take more photos. But when it got to this point,
Yeah.
before you take the loom off, so I had to make a drawing of it, or take loads of photos, because I just could not. The couple of photos. Make a drawing, yeah. Just draw it on. Just draw
People
it
have
on.
phones these days, Dom.
Oh yeah.
Take some pictures.
Yeah, but it goes in memory better if you draw it on. Right, which way, Keith?
I don't know.
In or out? Oh, let's do it. Let's have a go.
Should you want this out of the way?
Yes.
Out.
Drop it down if you want. Where's it
First.
line up? Oh, okay. No, wait a minute. No, can't be that easy, can it? See, it's this bloody loom, isn't it? Where does that go there?
It's there.
Shall we bolt that onto there then?
I would.
How many? Oh, there as well. Look there. Right. So the rear fender under tray. So if, like us, you've got doing something like this, you've got a load of bolts, got no idea where any of them go. This is what we do. Have a look at this. It's good. So Keith's on CMS. It's like a parts website.
It is.
CMSNL.Netherlands.com. Go on there and have a look.
So what you do is you go in.
Oh, you fucking fat fingers.
Sausage fingers.
So number 28 there.
So we figured out the bolt.
Yeah. 28. And then
Back out.
scroll down to 28.
Which is here.
show photo.
Oh, that's be Super 6.
Yeah, of course. Super 6. Boom.
Boom.
There she is. That's really good. That tip there alone is worth watching this video.
Do you want to see the other websites I've got on here?
No. No, I don't. You tit.
What?
It's not fitted, is it? Look.
What? What are you on about?
Look. There's no hole under there.
Well, that's where you were going.
I know. Oh, I wondered why on that picture it looked like they were going.
Do you want to refer back to that website?
I thought why I hope no one picked up the fact that they're on the top. Okay. That's better, isn't it? Now we did look at getting an uncut version of one of these.
Oh right, yeah.
£395 for the.
Little reflector.
I know. It's too much. We thought it was too much. Wow, why doesn't that fit in there? Oh, the under tray. I knew this would be a bit of a wrestle. Oh, right. What about the one on the other side? Come through this way. Is there a picture of that?
No picture.
Who keeps wanting that in, Chief? I don't think our initial video made this look as bad as it was. I thought it looked okay when in reality it wasn't so great.
Get rear hanger on there as well now.
Yes, because yeah, they came off first, didn't they?
Yeah.
They're going to sit there like that. They're going to look nice, aren't they? They're better. They are good. Vapor Blaster's good for that kind of stuff. What sits behind it, mate? We're going to put that one on and I'll... does it fit? Does it fit? Does it fit? That goes to the back lights, doesn't it? There you go. Oh, there you go, through that clip there. Oh, man. It's good.
Don't mate, that's not 13 mil.
Oh, is it 12? This looks good. Solution finish, black trim restorer, tiny bottle. It was about 10 quid and it came and I thought that's wish.com, isn't it? But actually, tiniest little bit, look, brings it up a treat.
So what's it actually do that, Dom?
Just like it's a restorer. What do you think?
Nice, mate.
Looks alright, doesn't it?
It's
Yeah.
good, doesn't it?
Looks alright.
Now you want to put a sticker on, yeah?
Yes. So,
Wait, what stick are you putting on it?
come and have a look. So this one,
It's not straight.
it does.
I was gonna say.
Yes, they will. Pull that off there. It's nice, isn't it?
It's not straight.
It is. Link is going in there. Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Look. That's nice.
Got it?
Could use a smaller hammer.
No.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, happy. That through there like that, yeah.
That way.
Yep. There you go. You got the Allen key, mate. Alright. Let's just watch it doesn't you got some weight on it, yeah. Right size, isn't it that?
So, we're right.
Beautiful, mate.
Beautiful.
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 Right, we need a nut to go on the back of that, don't we?
I've got one here.
That's it, that's the nut.
No, I've only got one here. Hey, that one.
Whack it on. Can't work with you. Sign up for this. Is that the rear shock nearly rebuilt?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Right, 14 mil, mate. Ready?
Hang on, then. Go on. Yeah, go on.
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah. Look. First time in a long time. swingers. Really happy with that. Is everyone happy with that?
Yeah.
That looks really good, doesn't it? Right, okay. Good. Right then. What we got here? Rear sprocket. Rear sprocket carrier. These little these are nice, aren't they? £5 each they were.
£5 each.
Yeah. So,
What with £5 each?
these. That little bit. So, it was cheaper to have those re-zinc than it was to buy new. Right, okay. So, they just hold the rear sprocket on. Would you suggest? Like that. So how does that make 13?
I think so.
13's already out on camera.
Yeah, it is.
13's going back in.
Now this is going to have to come off, isn't it? Because we haven't got a
Disc, yeah.
disc yet.
Yeah.
Now,
Thin
thin
washer.
washer. Fat washer.
Fat washer.
Nut. That it?
That's about as far as we can go, really, don't we?
Can I just try something? Because I just like doing things.
You got to put a wheel
I
on.
am. Shall we just offer the wheel up
Come
just
on
to
then.
see what it looks like?
Off the wheel.
Come on.
Right, you get the wheel. I'll hold the weight of the front.
It's got teeth on it. In any case, the issue we've got is, I think there's like this here. I'll have to get the Dremel around that and just clean that up inside there.
Just get rid of the powder coat.
Get rid of the powder coat, yeah, because I think that's preventing that.
There's not that much on there, though, is there, really?
No, but it will only take
Just enough.
it'll only take a smidge, won't it? So. There's stopping that going on there. It isn't much at all. So there we go, episode 4. I think that's some progress, would you agree? To do, forks are re-chromed, so we just need the lowers back from the paint shop. We'll rebuild the forks, get it on its wheels, get the new discs in, get it on its wheels, and then episode 5 I think we can drop it. We can have it rolling for the first time in months.
It's just the engine then, is it?
Which, yeah, then it would just be the engine, yeah. So,
engine.
yeah, monumental really. And we've got to find a home for the rest of these bits, but, you know. That'll do. Thanks for watching. Buy some merch.
We should buy some as well, really, shouldn't we?
Yeah, we should buy some. Yeah, it's that good we won't wear it.
Yeah.
That'll do.
Yeah.
See you next Tuesday.
See you next
See you
Tuesday.
See you in another 5 months.
Right, come on.
Hang on, I just have
What?
to see how to turn the
Oh,
hob
no.
off. Hello? Yeah. That's done. Oh, the onions. Above the pantry cupboard
The
thing.
onions are above the
There's,
pantry.
there's your onions.
Are they display purpose onions? Or are they for eating? Are they
Yeah,
fake?
for
Or,
eating, yeah.
and where are they?
Yeah, this is...
Where do you keep them?
Above the pantry. Yeah.
Above the
This is
pantry.
most
Above the pantry.
Professional outfits.
Talking about
like
your
that, you
onions
see.
or bunions?
The black basket. Is
Can't
it the
say
black
that.
basket
Right.
above?
There's one basket above the pantry
There's one.
full of onions.
There's one basket above the pantry. It's full of onions. Where the chicken is, full of
Where the
onions.
chicken is. Oh yeah, the chicken, not there. Yeah.
Red onion, yeah, red onion.
White. From
White, no
McDonald's,
white.
yeah.
No, I'm saying white.
I mean, this doesn't happen on Top Gear. This.
The cameraman's wife.
Phoning every 2 minutes to see if we've got a display on it.